Hey there, this is Rochelle from Arizona Oasis, and today I'm going to show you which lots we have available to put vacation homes on. We have several homes coming in the queue, and if you are curious about them, please reach out to us. Let us know that you are interested in getting one of these. Our home supply right now is pretty limited because of COVID. The manufacturer has a limited supply of materials, so definitely reach out if you're interested in getting a vacation home of your own. And without further ado, these are the lots that we have available for you to put a vacation home on. I'm out here at the available lots. We have lots 65 through 79. So let's walk this row. We've got RVs on these sites right now, but we'll have homes coming on them soon. I'm at the end of the row. The river is right over there. It's really close. I'll show you. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like more information about the types of vacation homes we offer here, I will put a link. Also, please reach out to us via phone call if you are interested in any one of these lots.